In today's video, I will teach you how to change fonts in Gimp. Let's get started. Changing fonts in Gimp is a common task when working on graphic design or text-based projects. Here are several ways to change fonts in Gimp. The first method is by using the text tool options. Click on the text tool icon in the toolbox, or simply press the shortcut key T. Click on the text layer where you want to change the font. Then you'll see a toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Locate the font drop-down menu in the tool options. Then click on the drop-down menu and select the desired font from the list. The second method is by using the text editor dialog box. To do this, click on the text tool icon or simply press T for a quick tool switch. Click and drag on your canvas to create a text box where you want the text. Then type your text into the text box. Then double-click on the text layer in the Layers dialog or right-click and choose Text Editor. In the Text Editor dialog box, select the text that you want to change and use the font drop-down menu to choose a new font. The next method is by using the Toolbox Fonts dialog box. Click the text tool icon or press T for a quick tool switch. Then click and drag on the canvas to create a text box. Then type your text into the text box. Now go to the menu bar, go to Windows, Dockable Dialogs, then Fonts to open the Fonts dialog. Now, in the Fonts dialog box, you can preview and choose a new font. Another method is a quick font change. Type your text into the text box, then hover over the font name in the text tool options and use your mouse scroll wheel to cycle through available fonts. Now, choose the method that suits your workflow or preferences. These options provide flexibility when working with the text in Gimp, allowing you to experiment with different fonts to achieve the desired look in your design. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.